Okay, there you go. Auto killer. Spend 20.
Bro, why can't...
It's actually fun this game.
Cam, Kai, get in. Come over here.
Fine.
Guys, you ready?
Yay.
Yeah.
You have to play mod edition because Cam is way too young.
I have shotgun, rifle, revolver.
Yeah.
What is happening?
Anyways, alright. Let's get some like stuff.
I'm getting some coal. Bro, we all have like 500. We only have like 120 bucks.
Yeah, that's where we start with.
Cam, I'm trying to buy it.
I'm just gonna steal this.
We need stuff to protect our base.
Damn it!
Or our train kind of.
Yeah. Dang it.
Yes.
Put the coal in your sack.
The coal. No, we need it for the trade, bro.
What? Bruh.
Bruh.
Bruh. Alright, I'm driving.
Okay, whatever.
Guys, get the stuff.
Don't leave for God.
No. Bruh. Okay. Let's go.
Tell me when you see a house.
Okay.
It's okay because we have a gun.
Yeah, guys, we're fine. Is that a ray gun?
Alright, let's call the executioner.
Yeah.
Executioner! Guys, we're making lightning!
There's that one. That's that.
I'm out of ammo!
House.
Wow!
Right.
Oh my
Bro, we're too far from it!
Guys, it's on the left. It's to the right.
Alright, let's go loot it!
These are empty.
We mean business! We need our money! Take the loot! Kill the zombie!
Oh my god.
Oh, guys, I'll take the body!
Alright, take this thing. Silver bar.
Get this guy.
Give me that!
Feel.
Guys, come on, we gotta go!
Where's our trader guy?
Bro!
Where are you going?
Alright, guess we're leaving him.
Okay.
No.
Bye, Cam.
Bye, Cam. We really missed you.
Yeah, bye, bro.
Alright,
Bye.
Cam, we're taking off. Cam, man, I really liked you, man. You're so cool.
We're out of gas!
Bruh.
Sure, buddy.
Oh yeah, we are acting a gas. Oh, come
No,
on.
I think that's
Well, why didn't we fill it all the way back?
Can't put it
We're
in!
gonna have to use Camden as the fuel.
what the?
Hold up, Cam. Oh, give me a sec. What the?
Anyways, bro, just put it in there.
I can't. Hold on, I need to... It doesn't fit.
We got your pie.
Hold on, let me drop out.
There's a lot of pie. Without any robot. So if you want to buy one real way,
No.
99 cents.
I'm not buying that.
We're not wasting any money. Well, guys, we can't get anything.
Did we only put one coal into this thing?
Yeah.
Bruh.
We're gonna die. Nothing can fit in there.
Bruh.
Alright, let's play something else.